6:30 and I just finished with the restaurant. The food there is so good, just too bad it's quite challenging since the whole menu is only in Chinese and the workers there don't know English too well. I think those are the best dumplings I ate in Taiwan so far. Those fried dumplings, the inside was so good, so well seasoned, definitely my favorite. And from now I'm gonna continue to Taiwan biggest night market. Okay, so its name is the Feng Chia night market, and for this I need to take the 199 bus, 40-minute ride. Okay, next station is mine. Hey guys, so we're here, Feng Chia night market. Ooh, just a little after there. Wow, the smell of stinky tofu is all over the street. Hard to breathe. This place is so busy. Like it's motorcycle and stores. This is insane. I don't know why they don't close the road. Some of the motorcycles come so fast. So here they sell fruit. And here is small, quiet little corner. The night market are crazy here. There are stands just like, I don't know, less than 1 meter from the road, and there's so many cars. That's insane. Like the stand is here and the motorcycle is here, and you have like this tiny road to pass. Okay, and we're back to the craziness. I think that's a huge animal store. Look, it's a hush chef, but it doesn't cook vegan food. Shame on you, Ashki. I doubt they're gonna have any vegan food here. Oh, those are vegan. All of these. See this brand, Zets. Here they cost 20 shekels. They're more or less the same as they cost in Israel. That they don't have in Israel, like candy bar snacks, instead of buying in a package. I think the package is more beneficial price-wise. I think that's the biggest pet store I have also. They have aisles on aisles and it just keeps going on. Nice, that's cute. Toys, mostly kid toys. Tiny harness for a chihuahua. Yeah, more toys. Here they have dog clothes. Oh, that actually might suit Nana. I think it's a raincoat. Yes, because it's really rainy in Taiwan. It's gonna look like a PJ. Oh my gosh, and they have dresses. It looks like a night queen dress. Oh, that's also cute. I would have taken our dress, but I think those are too small for her. Yeah, it won't suit. Oh look, they even got a bunny outfit. Oh my gosh. For every dog parent. So cute. Oh yeah, they have loads of bandanas. Oh, I do like bandanas. Those are so pretty. Let's see what the price is. It's really pretty, but quite expensive. It's like 50 shekels for a bandana. They also have a second floor already paid for dogs. Dogs painting. Husky. Oh, there we are, tiny koala. Is it squeak? Oh, it does. Oh, yeah, they have bunnies. I don't like pets in cages. I think you should adopt a pet, not buy one. Oh, they're so cute. This toy is kind of funny yet scary. They have a bakery here. The chance they're gonna have a vegan dessert is slim, but let's go check. Oh, look at those cute poodles. And they're all dressed and fancy. They do it in English description, but they're really hard to know the ingredients. So I think those with the green text are vegan. So let me show you what I found. I find this one. I have no idea what's inside, but I think this is vegan. And I think this one is vegan. Not many options, but they do have some. Those one as well. I think. Well, I think I might be wrong and it does have egg inside, but I'm just gonna take those two anyway. So that was the bakery and now I'm just gonna go back. Wow, look at this cute store. They have unicorns and they sell clothes and bras. Oh, finally a place with no motorcycle and vehicles. Little colorful caterpillars. Oh, that feels more like a night market and you don't need to keep worrying about the traffic. I think now we actually enter the real night market. The smell of this stinky tofu is horrendous, it's everywhere. Oh, here they had another grilled mushroom stand. I already tasted it, it's very good. So I'm gonna keep my stomach space for something else. This market is insane, so crowded. It's quite big. I think it's like town size. Okay, so I think we reached the end. It's so long and now we're gonna go back. Wow, that I never see. They have a duck in a stroller. Oh, there is another one there. They have fruit stand here, so maybe I'll get myself some. So I got myself some fish. It didn't have small size, only this size, and it cost 100 Taiwanese dollar. Let's try it out. Wonder if we're supposed to eat it with the outside. Kind of bitter. Doesn't taste good. Maybe that's why they put sugar inside the bag. I should have bought the strawberry instead, right there. This one kind of tastes like, I don't know, like it's unripe and not sweet at all. Yeah, that wasn't really satisfying to say the least. I think I'm gonna throw it away. I don't like to throw food, but just like feels tasteless and not satisfying. Hey guys, so I just need to catch bus 45 and then I'm back to my hotel. That was an extremely long day. I left my hotel, I think at 9? Yeah, 9:30 and right now it's 8 p.m. That's how it looks, by the way. At first I thought it's a tiny watermelon, but no, I think it's fridge. And I'm on the bus and it's 20-minute ride. That's an interesting thing. Hey guys, time right now is 9 p.m. and I'm back to the hotel. The hotel entrance. I do need to fill up some water, but I'll do it tomorrow. Okay guys, so I've just got to the hotel and let me show you the bounty of the day. So this is the leftover I got from the restaurant. This chocolate and fruit and strawberry snack I got from the 7-Eleven. Those pastries, which I'm not quite sure if they're vegan, really hard for me to know when everything is in Chinese, but at least they're vegetarian. So I got those two pastries and I got those adorable earrings, cat earrings with a balloon, from the Dali Plaza. They're a store that's called Cat Emperor, and they have those one, which is very, very cute. Okay, so for dinner I think I'm gonna have this little pastry. I think it's filled with pineapple, but again, who knows? I'm gonna take a bite and tell you. Cheese Louise is so soft. Wow, look at this, like a fluffy cushion. Itadakimasu. Kind of tastes like a butter croissant. I didn't reach the filling yet, so I'll take another bite. Yeah, the filling shell hide inside. I'll let you know when I reach it. Well, I reached the inside and it's not pineapple. It's definitely sweet, but it doesn't taste like pineapple. Not sure how to describe it. Maybe like sweet butter. Kind of have the texture of a puree. Alright, so this is gonna be the end of this day. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower. It's been such a long day. I sweat so much, so I'm gonna take a shower, relax, maybe do some editing, and then go to bed. And I'll see you tomorrow. As always, if you watch until far, thank you. Yeah, bye for now.